Hello guys, I'm Parik the Options Guy and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, markets when they broke this low, as I said, right, 44,900 and 44,800, we saw a very good sell-off first of all till 44,600, and then we took support from that range and closed higher, right? But I myself wasn't expecting that markets would again close like this. So at this point, I don't think we can still say that the market has become bullish, because the way the place at which the market has closed, again, this is a place of indecision, right? So I still haven't gone bullish. Where will I go bullish is, something, if you want to look at, is that in Bank Nifty, once we get a proper bullish closing, right, in a daily candle, in a daily time frame, once we get a proper bullish closing above 45,700, that is only when I will go ahead and become bullish, right? Until then, I still will think of selling, or at least I will not think of going and buying aggressively, because even at this place, maybe the FIS could take the market up, or the FIS or the big institutions or the big players could take the market up till 48,300, 350, 250, all these levels, and then show a sell off to everyone, right? Because like, when will the FIS go ahead and sell big time, right? When they will know, or when they will have a lot of buyers in the market, right? When they have a lot of buyers, that is only when they can go ahead and sell big quantity, right? So again, I am still not bullish on the market as of now. But tomorrow, what you can do, tomorrow is the expiry, right? So tomorrow what you can do is just not trade, right? Why am I saying this? At least till 10 a.m. do not take a trade. 10:30, because tomorrow there is the RBI policy, right, at 10 a.m., and because of which there will be a lot of volatility in the market, right? And so we will not take a trade till 10 a.m. or 10:30 a.m. But after that, what you can do, I'm going to tell you guys what you can do after 10:30, is that first of all, you need to look where the market is going. If the market opens flat and by 10:30 the market is crossing this level, then you can go ahead and take a buying position in Bank Nifty till the target of 45,300 on the upside, right? But if after breaking out above 45,100 you do not see very good momentum, square off your positions and look for selling opportunities again, right? Because as I said yesterday also over here, if we start moving up and we do not see good buying coming in, go ahead and take a short position. And again, 45,100 will be the important level, because all the sellers, whoever is selling, has kept their stop losses above 45,100. Just look at how many times 45,100 has been tested, right? So that definitely all the sellers are sitting over here. That means once the market start coming up, all these sellers will start squaring off their positions, and the big institutions will get a lot of buyers over here. So what could happen is that market could start moving up. Everybody would think that market has gone bullish, let's go bullish. Now we are going to go to 46,000 again and whatnot. And then market might show slow buying and again crash in the end of the day, right? So I'm still not bullish on the market. Tomorrow, if we open flat, first of all, as I said, we will not trade till 10:30 because of the RBI policy. Once the RBI policy is done and dusted, and once the the effect on the market is done and whatever, then then what happens will be important, right? Because the news is out of the way, and then we'll need to see how the market is reacting to everything. What are the big institutions doing? Maybe the RBI policy might come positive for the market, but then you're not seeing good buying coming in. That means there is someone in the market who knows something that we do not know, and that's why they are not going ahead and taking a buying position. If things would be positive, why would the big institutions not go ahead and come and buy after breaking out, right? Definitely the big institutions should also come and buy, right? But if that does not happen, if we do not see good buying coming in, please go ahead and not like no, not please. If you want to, you can take a trade, but yeah, do go ahead and take a short position above this level, right? And I will also be aiming to take a short position above this level. My target again will be 44,600. Maybe after that we might consolidate over here for some time or do something, right? Because still I feel like the market is not at a place where you could call it where you could call the market bullish. If the market today would have gone till 44,400, 300, all these levels, then maybe would have consolidated over here for a day, and then if it would have reversed, then I would have said that yeah, sure, markets can go ahead and get bullish from here. But the place from where the markets have taken a support, I still feel like this is just a temporary you can say pullback, or not even a pullback. This is just a kind of a kind of a pause, you can say, and now we could again continue on the downside, right? But yeah, sure, it's I know that I have been holding my view, my bearish view, but still I feel like, I think until and unless we get a proper confirmation, I will not go bullish from here. Talking about Nifty, if you see, went up so much in the last, like, in the last hour, right? So definitely there was a lot of short covering in the market that would have happened, right? Or you can say buying also. But now you need to make sure where to buy and where to sell, right? So in Nifty, what you can do is, tomorrow if we open flat, and if we just consolidate over here, maybe flat, maybe with a small gap down somewhere near 19,600, maybe 580, that's it, with a small gap down. And if we consolidate over here till the RBI policy is done, and once the RBI policy is done at 10:30, if we start breaking out above 19,640, that is when you can take a bullish trade. Your first target will be 19,680, and the second target will be 19,720. After that, do not hold your positions, because we will fill this gap, and then maybe we might again see a sell off. So if you start seeing bearish good selling coming in from 19,720 after a bullish trade, then you can go ahead and take a short position again in Nifty. Your first target will be 19,630 on the downside, and your second target will be 19,500 itself. Maybe it might not come tomorrow, and maybe it might come tomorrow, right? But I still feel like market is just over here trying to do some time pass, and we will probably see a good selling coming in still. There are chances of good selling still coming in the market, right? If we open with a very big gap up, say not a very big gap up, but with a gap up, say somewhere near 19,680, 690, then we'll do nothing. We'll just wait for the RBI policy to get done. If we then see very good selling coming in, right? If we then see very good selling coming in, and in the 15-minute chart, we see bearish price action being made. Say the RBI policy, market just move between 720 and 640 all the time, right? And then if the market is breaking on the downside, then you can also go ahead and take a short trade over here. Your target will be 19,520 to 530 on the downside, because that means this was just a pullback, and now markets could again start moving down. So you probably will get a very good selling opportunity. Now, one trade that you can take, which will be a quick trade after opening, like at the opening itself, is that if we open with a very big gap down. So Nifty has closed near 19,630. So if you open with a very big 100 points gap down somewhere near 520, 530, then once we cross 19,520, you can go ahead and take a short trade over here. Your target will be 19,004. Your target first of all will be 19,480, and then 19,400, because a lot of people will get trapped if you open the very big gap down, right? We've closed in a positive sentiment. If you open with a very big gap down somewhere near 520, 530, then you can maybe wait for a 5-minute candle closing and short below the low of that candle. That will be a safer option. Or you can also go ahead and take a short trade below 19,520 till the target of 19,480 first of all, and the second target of 19,400. We could see this momentum coming in very fast, and in the first hour probably you will get your targets on the downside, right? Because as I said, a lot of people will get trapped if you open the very big gap down. Same thing with Bank Nifty also. If you open somewhere near 44,600, so 44,680, 650, 700, then same thing, a lot of people will get trapped, and that is when you can go ahead and take a short trade. Your first target again will be 44,500, and your second target will be 44,400 on the downside. And I think the momentum should come very fast. If you are not seeing fast momentum coming even after opening with a very big gap down, reduce your quantity, trail your stop loss, or square off your position. That's the best thing to do. You can take a trade afterwards once the RBI policy is done, right? But the best thing is that even if you kind of skip the first half of the day, it will not be such a big deal. The second half is what will be very important. Tomorrow's closing could be a very important thing to kind of decide where exactly the market is trying to go. Today, there was a bit of indecisiveness. If the markets would have closed near 44,600 or even near 44,700, I would have said that yes, the bearish momentum has started to continue, right? And now we can go very aggressive on the selling side, right? But the way the market has closed, maybe the markets might go up again once more, just maybe once more, to show everyone that yes, the market, the bulls are buying, and you should also go ahead and buy. And then maybe the market might go ahead and take a short position, go short from here, right? Because a lot of people's stop losses are capped at 45,100. Markets may come to hunt these people's stop loss and then show a sell off on the downside, right? So yeah, still I'm holding my bearish view, and I feel like I have a good enough reason to hold my bearish view. Anyways, if I do take any sort of a trade tomorrow, I'll update you guys in tomorrow's video, right? So that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.